It's the morning of the biker meet. The weather. It's not great. The weather isn't great, but we're still going to go ahead. Catering van is due on site. Obviously, the bikers, if you're brave enough to join us, that is. Reason behind what we're doing is because we're trying to bring the biker community together, like the classic car community that I'm involved with. So we have got room, the space and the facilities to give you a venue, to give the bikers a venue to meet.
Yep.
And this is us testing the water, dipping our toe.
Quite literally.
Yeah, quite literally. We wanted to get the bikes back on the road for their favourite time of year, which is Easter weekend, which is why the first biker meet is planned for today. So, are you ready?
Fingers crossed.
Let's do it.
First time around was a sinner, and you let me know. Second time around was a winner. Now it's raining gold. Champagne showers laced with poison. How am I the last to know? Third time round was a given.
We are with Jules, Mental Health Motorbikes. She has come today onto the biker meet, supporting the ladies.
Yeah, go on the lasses.
Absolutely. So for me, I'm trying to get more female riders to have the confidence to come to these events. And you're here, which is just wonderful.
Yeah.
So how can we promote more? How can we make the ladies feel safer to come to these events?
I think it's just word of mouth, really. Like, your combination using social media and spreading the word, really, and raising awareness that it's an inclusive environment for everybody.
Absolutely.
I'll be spreading the word around as well. But it's been fantastic, a lot of people turned up, given the weather, it's been really good.
Yes.
A lovely butty van and coffees, and it's a fantastic venue.
Yeah, there was a lot of people on site. It's fantastic.
Yeah, it's really good. So get down, lasses.
Yes,
Get down
definitely,
really
definitely. You won't be alone.
Fantastic host.
You're going to be here on each event. You're going to be coming back.
Here, promoting mental health motorbike. It's an important part of the biker community, and we want to help people where we can.
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you very much, Jodie. It's been brilliant.
Oh, and thanks for your support, Jules.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
See you all soon.
But did I need any more than I've already got? You want to take my hand away from me? I let you, 'cause I'm so addicted to this feeling. Head rush, keep pumping in my veins. No need to stop when it's all you. This is what you get when the devil's on your brain.
Hi, guys, and thank you for your support. Would you like to introduce yourselves?
Yeah, my name's Peter. I'm the admin for Biker Support Manchester.
Yes.
We do charity runs,
Yeah.
funeral escorts, anything charity based in the Manchester area. So you're more than welcome to join Biker Support Manchester. Everyone's welcome, whether you're 125s or not.
Yeah.
We're here to support everyone.
Fantastic.
Friendly bunch.
Yes,
Help
yes,
each
a
other
friendly
out
bunch.
when in
So how many of you have
Well,
come
it's about,
today?
isn't it? It's just
Five of us today.
Yeah.
Probably due to the weather, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
we
Well,
braved it.
I really appreciate your
It's been worth
support
it.
during, because of the weather. I
Yeah.
really appreciate your support. It's really good. So we're hoping to do a bit more together. In that we're going to be,
Yeah.
I'm going to do some more events because even given the weather today's been really
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, it's been excellent.
Oh yeah, it's been brilliant.
Yes, it has. It
Yeah.
has. So there will be more, hopefully better weather. So what bikes have you brought today?
I'm on my Haisung GTR 125
Yeah.
V-twin. Lovely bike. Pretty loud. So yeah, I've come on this. I love the bike.
Awesome. And Brad, obviously, I already
mine's-
know you from before.
Yeah, mine's the same. It's a
Yeah.
Haisung GT 125, but it's a Comet version, so it's the naked version of the one to our right.
Yeah, this is the one that's got a special sticker on it, yeah?
Yeah, it has right.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. And I believe you've all got stickers, which is awesome.
That's correct.
Fantastic. So on the next meet, you will all be stickered up.
We'll all be
Yeah.
Betty Blue all day long. No, but thank you for your support, guys. I really,
No,
really
honestly.
appreciate it.
That's what we do.
Yeah,
Like,
take a
so
look
I'll
on
do it.
Facebook and you will see that we are going to continue these events, and please support this group as well.
Yeah.
Thanks again, guys.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Outpacing my intuition, get when the devil's on your.
Excuse me, Lowie. I know you're eating cake. And out of everyone here today, I knew you'd be the troublesome one.
I didn't cut it. It was already cut. I just dived in.
So this
But
is Jill's
Can I
famous
just
cake.
say, thank you, Jill. Your cake's absolutely lovely.
Yeah,
It's gone down the
absolutely.
tree, so
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Oh, bless. So you're here today to support us. Thank you for that, because the weather's not the best, is it, mate?
It's not been as bad as what I thought it was going to be. So,
Absolutely. Yeah,
just
do you
trying
want
to
to...
swallow my cake and that'll be alright.
God, yeah, I knew it'd be trouble. So you've come on the Monster today.
So I'm on the baby bike today.
Baby, well, it's a monster to me. Yeah,
So this is a Honda CRF 250 Rally. It's a
nice.
bit of an enduro bike.
Yeah,
So I do green laning on it.
yeah,
So I do like fire trails and things like that.
Yeah.
Which is kind of like what we stood on at the moment.
look at this. It doesn't get better than that, mate. Cake
I'm-
and a Betty Blue sticker.
Still trying to figure out where the sticker is going to go.
Where
Or
it's
on the
most
front,
visual.
or-
Yeah,
not
yeah.
decided yet.
Yeah,
But
living the dream.
I've actually got two, so
All right.
yeah, I'm special.
You are.
I got two stickers.
Well-
I didn't steal one. I got two stickers.
When you say you're special, we all know this, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I might, yeah. No comment.
Really,
yeah.
really appreciate your support. And the bike, it stands out today, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It is like really
So
enduro
nice
type.
bikes here. I've got two other bikes, really shiny bikes, but I didn't want to bring them out in this weather.
Yeah.
Still a lot of salt on the road. This is just like a mountain goat. I bring it out in all weathers. It goes anywhere, so there were no issues bringing this out. But like I say, it's not been too bad.
No,
a little
it's
bit
not.
of rain.
Yeah.
It's forecast snow in about an hour's time.
Yeah,
But we'll see.
yeah.
But I'd just like to thank you for putting this on today.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you.
So it's nice to have something local
Yes.
for bikers to meet,
Yes.
because there is nothing local. There's a few local clubs,
Yes.
and they do have bike meets, but you know, it's nice to have something down in this area
Exactly.
where the bikers can come.
That's
and
it.
obviously, if any MOTs need doing,
Yeah,
they can get done while they're here.
that's
can't
it. We've got the venue, we've got the facilities, so why not offer it to the
they?
bikers?
This is it.
Absolutely.
And come summertime,
Yeah.
when it's blistering sunshine,
Yeah.
and you've got your alcohol-free Peroni, is it?
It is alcohol free, yes.
Paradise.
Yes.
Bikers paradise, isn't it? So,
Absolutely. Well,
right,
thank
will
you.
you leave me alone now while I finish my cake?
Yeah, all right then. Thank
you.
you for your support.
When the devil's on your brain, the devil's on your brain, the devil's on your brain. You want to take my hand away from me, yeah. I let you. Cause I'm so addicted to this feeling. Head rush, keep pumping in my face. No need to stop when it's all a game. This is what you get when the devil's on your brain.
We are here with the lovely Ange. So pleased you could make it, darling. So, question is, I'm trying to get more female bikers here, yeah?
Yep.
We have had some females here today.
Yep, it has.
Are you going to help me do this?
Yep.
And how are you going to help me do this?
Well, in our bike club,
Yes?
we have, I think we've got about 5 female bikers that are in our club.
Okay,
And we
and your club
promote
is
Throttle Twisters, MCC.
Throttle Twisters
And we're
MCC.
based at Chadderton Social and Bowling Club on a Monday night.
Okay,
However, we also promote families as well in our
Fantastic.
club, so that if we do anything, all kids and everything like that are always welcome. And the biker community does promote bikers as well as the female bikers.
of course,
And-
yeah,
Yeah, and there's a lot of female bikers out there.
yeah, yeah. Do we have someone behind us that's misbehaving? I've got
Yeah,
a feeling.
they just sat there waiting. And
But-
it's been a fabulous turnout, and there's been quite a few ladies that have turned up on bikes.
Yeah, considering the weather, it's been fabulous, hasn't it?
It has.
It
has.
really
It's been
has.
nice to see people as well, because there's a lot that have been here that I've not seen for a while.
Yeah,
Since probably last time the sun was out, which was last year.
yeah, yeah. Can you stop misbehaving behind, please? Thanks for coming, Ange, and I
Yeah.
really appreciate your support.
Yep.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
When the devil's on your brain, the devil's on your brain, devil's on your brain, the devil's on your brain.
You're here at the Autolass workshops, and we have decided to do a tribute. Sadly, Dave Myers, who has passed away, the hairy biker who we all know and love, we are going to do a tribute for Dave and all the other fallen bikers. 1 minute of biker noise, starting in 3, 2, 1, go! We're going!